I had been looking for getting new siding on the house, and I reached out to Mark at SmardBuild about a year ago and met with him, and he told me about what his company does and about the Hardie board. And then I sat on it for a while and ended up reaching out to a number of other potential people to do it, just to make sure that I was choosing the right folks. And after I met with, frankly, 3 or 4 other people, I had Mark come back and we just connected, and he really seemed to be the best one that was going to kind of listen to me and do everything that we needed to get done and get it done timely. And I just had utmost confidence in him. And once he started, and as you can see how it turned out, 100% pleased, made the right decision, and real happy with how everything turned out. So after we decided to go forward with it, I didn't really know what the process was going to be like, and was a little bit concerned about 3 weeks or so of the work being done on my house. And I met Andy and Peter, the team that was out here, and they were phenomenal. Every day, I asked them questions all the time. They did a great job and were very anytime I asked them questions, I had answered. Mark always checked in, and we love the end result. The neighbors all have been asking me who did it, and they want to do it. So I would highly recommend Mark and his team, and thank Mark and Andy and Peter for, frankly, a brand new house in my mind.